Monday, January 27th. China will be the first to report on significant economic developments in the coming week. The Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index is expected to be released at 4 a.m. Respondents characterize several aspects of doing business in relative rather than quantitative terms. Improved, worsened, or no change. The rise in the manufacturing PMI reflects the growth of the Chinese industry. This may have a positive impact on the yuan exchange rate. The United States will release new home sales data at 6 p.m. This number excludes multifamily housing, but it does include new single-family homes. Landowner-built houses and apartments for rent are also excluded from the evaluation. A rise in the figure could boost the dollar. Tuesday, January 28th. One day later, at 4:30 p.m., the United States will release month-over-month durable goods order data. A nationwide survey of over 5,000 durable goods manufacturers representing 92 industries was used to collect the processing data. An increase in durable goods orders may have a positive impact on the dollar. The Conference Board will also present the U.S. Consumer Confidence Index at 6 p.m. It is based on a monthly survey of approximately 3,000 households and reflects buyers' confidence in the country's economic stability. It is calculated by the Conference Board, a non-profit research organization. If the index grows faster than expected, the dollar's short-term volatility could rise. Wednesday, January 29th. The Bank of Canada will announce its interest rate decision at 2 p.m. midweek. The decision is made 8 times per year and is one of the most significant events affecting the Canadian dollar. The Governing Council is guided by data from the Monetary Policy Review Committee and the 4 economic departments. If the interest rate rises, so does the national currency's exchange rate. The European Central Bank will announce similar results at 4:15 p.m. Every 6 weeks, the Governing Council makes the decision at the Monetary Policy meeting, which is announced immediately after. A decrease in the ECB interest rate has a negative impact on the single currency, and vice versa. When the regulator raises the refinancing rate, the euro strengthens. Thursday, January 30th. Germany will be the center of attention when it releases its quarterly GDP report the next day at 10 a.m. The calculation is based on a domestic concept with a breakdown by economic activity in the Federal Republic of Germany. It reflects the monetary value difference between the reporting and previous quarters. GDP growth may benefit the euro. The United States will release the same data at 4:30 p.m. The United States GDP is based on expenditure. The U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis estimates the components using data from retailer, manufacturer, and builder surveys, as well as trade flow analysis. Most economists now believe that GDP growth should be between 2.5% and 3.5% per year in order to maintain a secure and stable economy. Friday, January 31st. Before the weekend, at 2:30 a.m., Japan will release the Tokyo Consumer Price Index, excluding food and energy, year-on-year. It reflects the price change in goods and services purchased by Tokyo households. Tokyo's core consists of 23 municipalities. Their data is used to calculate the price index. Higher than expected indicator values are considered favorable for the Japanese yen exchange rate. The U.S. will release the Core Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index month-on-month near the end of the reporting week at 4:30 p.m. It depicts the price change for a fixed basket of consumer goods and services purchased by U.S. residents during the reporting month as compared to the previous month. The growth of the index may have a positive impact on the dollar.